Dr. Ann Howell here, who knew she was coming our way, talking about Selfie Spot in Northgate Mall, has kicked it up a notch, as Emerald Lagasse would say. You are bright and picture ready this morning. Good to see you.
Absolutely.
So be taking notes. Grab pen and paper. If you have teenagers at home, rope them in to watch the television, because Ann's store is one you are all going to want to put on your list. Selfie Spot is just what it implies. You come there, you've got the perfect backdrop for the 100% guaranteed to wow selfies.
Yes. At Selfie Spot, we have over 35 selfie stations, carefully curated, and we wanted to create a great experience for people of all ages to come and create memories.
So I think it's interesting. I referenced her as Dr. Ann Howell. You have a background in higher education, administration, but make no mistake, you are a mom. Your chief resources right now are coming from your kids and how to make this spot a must-go for everybody in town.
Yes. My kids had a lot of input just because I already knew where I wanted to take it as far as the creative design, but just also making sure that it was something that would be appealing to their age group and, you know, of course, my age group, and just something for everyone, basically. But they know it better than me. As a matter of fact, my oldest daughter taught me how to use TikTok. So
that's what you learned during COVID.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, okay, I almost don't know where to start because I am really not a picture taker, but I too have two daughters, and I learned a long time ago that I am no longer the photographer of choice in our family because there is an art to taking a good selfie. So the way Selfie Spot works, you can afford to come there and perfect the craft, if you will, because you simply pay an entry fee.
Yes.
Then you can stay and roam the 35 stations until you get the shot you're looking for.
Yes. So when you come in, of course, we do explain how to use ring lights. Some people are not familiar, but ring lights are provided throughout the whole venue for you to be able to take hands-free photos. And also they add, you know, extra lighting as well. But also, it's just so wonderful just to see people come in and do everything differently. These are the same backgrounds, but everyone always just puts a special touch on it that's different, and I love to see it happen.
You're having fun with Halloween. You've got it all decked up, but I know you're tapping your foot for October 31st to come and go because you can't wait for Christmas.
Christmas decorations will start going up the day after Halloween. For sure.
So I noticed how you wore your vibrant color.
Yes.
When you're taking a good selfie or TikTok video, some people are coming in and doing their videos. What you wear really does matter, doesn't it, Ann?
It does matter. Show your personality, wear whatever you like, but more importantly than that, it comes down to angles, and my selfie takers know it is so important as far as, you know, getting your angle. And everyone has a different side that they may think is their good side or their best side.
Right.
But that's also why we do not put a time limit on the amount of people, the amount of time that people can spend in there, because you may take a picture and look and say, you know what, I want to try it on my other side. And we want you to be able to do that.
I won't age you, but I'll age me. I mean, I go back to the days of filming the camera, then you would go and get that developed, and you would have a 36 exposure hoping you got one or two good pictures. I think today's young people wouldn't imagine having to wait a week to see what the picture looks like.
No, everyone wants that instant like gratification or access. Like they want to know now. I see it all day, and I do it myself.
Right.
As soon as I take a picture, I'm like, okay, let me see which one. Yeah.
So I don't want to set you up for a question I shouldn't ask you, but are people coming to you for birthday parties?
Yes, ma'am. We do private photo shoots. We do private events, birthday parties, corporate events, all of that.
Corporate events, what a fun bonding time.
Team builders, all types of things. Yes, ma'am.
So 35 stations, if you will, backdrops, that's a lot.
Yes.
Are you coming up with the ideas on your own?
Yes, I do. I come up with them on, but I can't take full credit though, because some of my ideas, I mean, they're fantastic, but we weren't able to quite execute them like we wanted to. And my husband would step in and he would get it figured out, and we might have to go in a different direction, but I have so much appreciated his input, his support. It's just been phenomenal.
He has a photography background.
Yes, photography background, DJ, and of course, he has a corporate job.
So I was sharing with you, I go down to Atlanta a lot. That's my hometown. And a couple of years ago, I saw something like this and was with my younger daughter and one of her friends. So, of course, they noticed it right away. You had seen one in your travels out west and you realized there was not one here. You've done yours a little differently, though, because you call it a gallery.
Yes.
So that you have this great visual while you're in there.
Yes.
Do you see them looking around at what other customers are doing and then mimicking?
Well, I can say that, yes, not necessarily while they're in there, but I have people that come in and they'll show me a picture maybe from our website or one that I have shared on social media, and they will say, can you help me do the pose like she did? Or can you show me how to do that? And I think that's why it's so wonderful to continue to share the photos that our customers are taking, and I love it so much that they tag us and they send them to us. We appreciate it so much.
I guess it's kind of if you're ever having a down day, what a fun thing to go do to bolster your spirits, actually.
Yes. I've had several people come in and say, I brought my sisters today because we were just wanting a girls' day. We all just need a day to relax and enjoy each other, and I love to see it happen. I've also had a lot of gentlemen bring their dates there on a date night, and I was like, wow.
That's creative.
Yeah. I'm like, okay, they're thinking.
You don't mind talking price? It's $20?
It's $20 for adults and $15 for kids 12 and under. And that's for people to come in and take as many pictures and videos as they like. Some people bring photographers with them, and that's perfectly fine.
Well, you and I will have to take a selfie when our interview is over.
Most
and maybe
definitely.
then you can put a Stringer's Ridge backdrop in this store at some point.
Yes, we're going to do it.
Go and visit it. Selfie Spot at Northgate Mall, right there in Hickson, online, or give them a call. Think about it as a birthday party idea. Go get your Halloween pictures and then think ahead to Christmas. You'll have the perfect Christmas card.
Yes, you will. And I always say, create memories that can last a lifetime, one selfie at a time.
I love it. Thank you, Ann.
Thank you so much.